In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Omnisend branding. Whether you're looking to maintain a clean, professional appearance in your emails or simply prefer a more customized touch, this tutorial will guide you through the process easily and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and search for Omnisend. Once you see the correct link, go ahead and open it. Navigating to the Omnisend page is the first crucial step in this process, as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Ensuring you have access to the right platform is key, as you'll be making all the necessary changes directly in Omnisend's environment. Next, you'll need to log in to your Omnisend account. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. This step is essential because all the customization options available to you, including removing branding, are located within your account. Keep any login details handy to facilitate a smooth sign-in process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Builder section for the specific form or email where the Powered by Omnisend branding appears. The Builder is where Omnisend offers a range of tools to design and refine your emails or forms. By selecting the right form or email template, you position yourself to effectively manage its visual aspects. Within this builder, take a moment to locate the Powered by Omnisend text or logo. Sometimes, these can be subtly integrated, so you'll need to look carefully at the footer or any other designated areas. Once you've pinpointed the branding, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now, click on the watermark. Doing so will cause a bin icon to appear. This bin icon is there to allow you to remove elements that aren't needed or wanted in your final design, including the branding. Clicking on this icon will effectively remove the Powered by Omnisend marking from your form or email, streamlining its appearance. However, if the option to delete the branding seems grayed out or doesn't appear at all, it's important to be aware that this might be because you are currently on a free plan. In such cases, Omnisend restricts certain features, including branding removal. To unlock this option, you'd need to upgrade to a paid plan, which would provide you with greater flexibility and more sophisticated design controls. And there you have it. Removing the Powered by Omnisend branding is straightforward with these steps. By following them carefully, you can ensure your emails or forms project the exact image you envision, free of any unwanted branding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in achieving the look you desire.